Okay, we've got a Woodmizer bandsaw mill, and we're going to adjust the bandsaw guide wheel. So you can see on the very bottom side, let me turn around this way. This is your bottom pad here. And then there's a gap in between. And your wheel can move in right there. Your bandsaw blade is going to go across through here. Okay. What you have to do is you got to loosen this off. Back this wheel off a little bit. And that'll allow this wheel to move up and down, back and forth. Be able to tighten up the gap in there. When you use this one here, this middle one, 7/16, that pushes down on the shaft at the bottom back down in here. And then pushes the wheel in that way. If you want to bring the wheel back out this way, you got two adjustment bolts right here. You wind those in, and that'll pull the wheel back out this way. Then you lock the nuts. You set your final gap there, and then lock the nuts. Make sure that's tightened up. And then lastly, tighten up that 3/4 inch locking nut on the wheel there. That locks everything all up. And that's as easy as it gets.